What do I say when there's nobody listening?